Dear students, you have learned number of rules related to subject-verb agreement. So let's get started again. Subject-verb agreement. For making a sentence grammatically correct, a verb must agree with its subject in number and person. It means singular subject must have singular verb and plural subject must have plural verb. Now let's start with the next rules. Plural nouns which indicate the name of the country or a title of book take a singular verb. For example, Gulliver's Travels was written by Swift. Here Gulliver's Travels is the name of the book and was is used because it is one book. Name of the book. Next, the United States has a big navy. The United States, name of the country, it is, you know very well, it is singular. The verb has is used. With singular subject we use has, and with plural subject and I and you we use have. So the United States has a big navy. Next rule is, when plural nouns express some specific amount considered as a whole, the verb is singular. It means expression of time, money, weight and distance are singular. For example, 10 kilometers is a long distance. Though it is 10 kilometers, but it is taken as considered as a whole number. So is used. 50,000 rupees is a large sum. This is taken as a whole, taken as singular. So is used. Next example is, 3 parts of the business is left for me to do. Now, the following words are always plurals. Pants, trousers, scissors. For example, the pants are torn into 2. Next example, the scissors are sharp. They take plural verb. But if the word pair is used, the verb is singular. You can see here the pair of scissors. If we use the pair of scissors, singular verb is used, was placed on the table. Next is, the words here and there are never subjects. If a sentence begins with here or there, the verb agree with the subject which follows it. There are 2 reasons. Here, there, here, they are not subject. Are is used because the subject is 2 reasons, plural. That's why the plural verb are is used. In this sentence, no reason, singular. That's why the verb is used. And here, 2 apples, plural. That's why are is used. So are, is, are, they are not used according to there and here. They are used according to the subject. Then, in simple present tense, with singular subject, we use first form of verb plus s or es, and with plural or I and you, we use only first form of the verb. Example, he loves, she loves, they love. With singular subject, verb plus s, and with plural, we use only first form of the verb. Now, in the use of mathematical expressions, these rules are accepted. For example, 7 plus 3 is 10. 7 and 3 are 10. 5 times 2 are 10. Next, the pronoun you always takes a plural verb. With you, we always use plural verb. You were invited to come, or you are invited to come. Were and are used with you. And then you sing so well. With you, we use first form of the verb. We don't use s or es. So dear students, go through these rules once again, and then you will be able to do the exercises which I will give you tomorrow.